Hi, I'm Maggie, your LUNA Astrology Ambassador. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the favorites feature inside LUNA, one of the easiest ways to keep your most used charts right at your fingertips. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay in the loop on all things LUNA. Let's get started. So if you want to play around with favorite charts, go to the chart profile area. So this is where you go. You can click at the top. It'll say charts. Takes you to your chart profile. So all of the charts that you have saved over time are housed in this area. If you scroll down and look through them, you will see little stars on the left-hand side of all of the charts. When you click on one of the stars, and it becomes dark blue, that lets you know that this chart has been added to your favorites. If you click on it and it becomes less dark, that is a good indication that this chart has been removed from your favorites list. So now that we've covered that easy little thing, how do you access these favorited charts? Well, there's two different ways. One way, since we're right here already, when you come up to the top of the chart profiles page, you should see public charts, my charts, and favorite charts. Here we go. You can have an unlimited number of favorite charts. I think it will only display the first 24. You can move through them by hitting the next button. Another way that you can access your favorited charts, and I should mention before we move away from here that if you click on the chart, it will pop up. That just seemed too simple for me to gloss right over. So another way that you can get to your list of favorites is in the very top. So transits, charts, cycles, ephemeris, past that all the way to the right, there's kind of an open file folder looking icon. That is the quick view icon. You can click on that and your favorites will just pop up in this nice, easy little pop-up. Again, the first 24 favorited charts will be available here. You can see all of them by pressing the View All Favorites button. You can also access your chart history from here, which we'll get into more in depth in another video. This is just like all the bi-wheels that you've cast, whether they're synastry charts or transit charts. It's just nice to know about. So if you go back to the favorites, any chart that you click on right here will pop up. It's so easy. I love it. It's so simple. From here, you will just, this makes it easier to navigate around, to bring up the charts that you look at the most often. It kind of just reduces time spent, fiddling around in the background. It's simple, it's powerful, it's a nice, easy way to keep your go-to charts close, whether you're working with clients, studying astrology, or tracking your own cycles. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel even more at home within LUNA.